Are you looking for the best handheld blower? I have compiled a list of top 5 best handheld blowers this year. These are hand-picked based on the overall design, hardware, customer reviews, and expert reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description down below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. DEWALT 20V Max XR Leaf Blower. The DEWALT 20V Max XR Leaf Blower is a cordless, battery-powered blower with a concentrator nozzle for increased air speed. It can clear leaves and debris up to 450 cfm, cubic feet per minute, and up to 125 miles per hour. The blower has an axial fan design for optimal air output and a high-efficiency brushless motor. It's also relatively quiet at 66 dBA. One of the best things about this blower is that it's lightweight and features an ergonomic design, so it's easy to control and less likely to cause fatigue. In addition, it has a variable speed trigger and cruise control, which allow you to better control the machine. Users report that it has a runtime of about 20 minutes when completely charged and that it's easy to handle, particularly if you're dealing with small piles of leaves. However, like all battery-powered blowers, it has a significantly shorter runtime compared to gas alternatives, so it's not designed for larger areas or commercial use. The battery can also get quite hot during use. Number 2. Kimo Cordless Leaf Blower. Kimo's cordless leaf blower is a combination sweeper and vacuum that blows leaves, snow, and debris and is great for tackling small corners. It has a speed of 125 miles per hour and a maximum airflow capacity of 200 cfm. Constructed with a turbofan and all-copper motor, the blower runs for up to 20 minutes on a single charge. It has a double-length tube, so you don't have to bend over too much during use. It weighs only 2 pounds, which is much less than many rival brands, so it's better to use over longer periods of time. You can also switch it to vacuum mode, and the strong suction makes cleaning effortless and convenient. The battery takes just 60 minutes to completely charge, and there's a battery level indicator, so you know when it's ready to go. The battery, charger, blow tube, and reusable collection bag is included. One downside is that this is not a super powerful blower. It does alright on smooth surfaces, but wet or packed down leaves can be hard to move. It's also a little noisy. Number 3. MAKITA USA Incorporated 18V X2 LXT Blower Kit. The MAKITA Blower Kit is a premium product with a premium price, but it's worth the investment. This blower has a speed of 120 miles per hour and a maximum airflow capacity of 473 cfm. It features a BL brushless motor and a 6-stage air velocity volume dial with a variable speed control trigger. It has a sound pressure rating of 60.2 decibels and 0 emissions. The blower uses two 18-volt lithium-ion batteries for added power and runtime and comes with a charger, and it runs 50% longer than rival non-brushless tools. It delivers up to 28 minutes of runtime on dial setting 3 on a single charge. It also has a protective seal to prevent water and dust from penetrating the internal mechanisms. One downside is that it is a little heavy, particularly if you're on the smaller side. Since there's no shoulder strap, it can weigh you down after a while. Also, since the air intake is located on the back of the blower, it tends to suck in items nearby, such as your clothing. Number 4. Greenworks 80V Jet Electric Leaf Blower. The Greenworks 80V Jet Electric Leaf Blower includes both a 2.5 Ah battery and charger. It blows up to 145 miles per hour and has a maximum airflow capacity of 580 cfm. It has a brushless motor for added torque, a longer lifespan, and quieter operation. It also features a push-button start and a variable 3-speed trigger. The tool is designed to blow through both wet and dry leaves with ease. The blower's grip is comfortable, and there's also a cruise control lever for convenience. Overall, it's lightweight, comfortable to use, powerful, and gets the job done quickly. There is plenty of power to remove leaves, pine needles, small rocks, etc. On maximum power, it has a runtime of about 25 to 30 minutes. It's also backed by a 4-year limited tool and battery warranty. However, the plastic parts appear to be cheaply made, so it may not last if it's inadvertently dropped or mishandled. And like the other blowers on this list, it's designed for minor to moderate jobs, not big ones. Number 5. Ego Power Plus Cordless Leaf Blower. The Ego Power Plus Cordless Leaf Blower is another great option with a speed of 180 miles per hour and a maximum airflow capacity of 650 cfm, which kicks in when you depress the turbo button. The tool's variable speed control produces 225 to 500 CFM. It operates using a 5.0 Ah battery and comes with flat and tapered nozzle attachments. The blower, which uses a brushless motor, runs for 15 minutes or longer on turbo or up to 200 minutes on low. It's made of weather-resistant materials and features an ergonomic design, so it feels comfortable in your hands. Overall, it moves a lot of leaves, is easy to use, is powerful, and recharges pretty quickly in around 40 minutes. The manufacturer also provides a 5-year tool warranty and a 3-year battery warranty. One downside is that it's a little on the heavy side. Also, it's not the best balance tool and can be a little difficult to hold and carry while you're squeezing the throttle.